Welcome to this AppSheet review. Want to build powerful mobile apps without coding? This video explores how AppSheet empowers you to do just that. Find links below. AppSheet's no-code platform lets you design, customize, and deploy apps quickly and easily with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Perfect for individuals and businesses needing custom apps without the technical resources. Whether you're in real estate, education, healthcare, or any other industry, AppSheet can streamline processes, automate workflows, and integrate with your existing systems. One standout feature is AppSheet's data integration. Connect to Google Sheets, Excel, SQL databases, and more, with real-time updates for effortless team collaboration. AppSheet is also incredibly scalable. Build a simple personal app or a complex enterprise solution, deploying on both Android and iOS at no extra cost. Automate tasks like notifications and record updates with triggers and actions, saving you valuable time. AppSheet provides robust security and permission controls, protecting sensitive data. Offline access keeps your apps functional even without connectivity. AppSheet is a versatile tool for businesses seeking streamlined operations and custom apps. Its no-code approach, robust features, and scalability make it a top contender. Ready to build? Check the description for details.